Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about the very basics of lists. A list is an ordered collection of elements. Lists can contain numbers, strings, or other arbitrary types of data. We define lists with square brackets. Lists are ordered. We access list elements via square brackets. Have a look. Here we have a list. This is a list of strings. We can also have a list of numbers. Here's a list of numbers. And now, if we want to access the first element in a list, we have to use its index in square brackets. So let's try to access the first element in the names list, which is Alice. Now, lists are zero-based, so the first element is at index 0. Names with index 0. Alice. We can also use elements of lists in expressions, like so. The element at index 1 in the numbers list, index 1 means the second element, 7, plus the element at index 5, so the sixth element in the numbers list. And what we get is 15. 7 plus 8. Lists are mutable. We can change any element. Here's another list, cars. And if we want to, we can change the element at index 2, which means the third element in the list, and assign a new value to it, like for example, Porsche. And now we print the list again. As we can see, this element at index 2, which is 0, 1, 2, BMW, has been changed to Porsche. A list may contain elements of different types. It may also contain lists. Here's an example of a list which contains elements of different types. Here we have a string, a float number, another list which itself contains elements of different types, an integer, a Boolean value, and another string. Now, membership. We can check if an element is contained or not in a list. Let's have one more example of a list, this time with strings. Rivers, for example. And what we want to see is whether the river Thames is in this list. So we can use the membership operator in Thames in rivers. As we can see, it's not. So we get false. Or we can use another membership operator, which is not in. Snake River, not in rivers. As we can see, Snake River indeed is not included here. So we get true. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.